Hello, this is JP from Visual Components. In this tutorial, I will show you how to access the Visual Components online help and other online material you have available for your product. Let's first take a look at the online help. To access the online help, go to the top right corner and click the question mark icon or press F1. You can also access the online help by clicking the Help tab here, going to the Help and Reference, and clicking the Help button. This opens the online help to your web browser window. You can navigate the online help with the Contents panel here on the left. You can also search the help content by clicking the search icon here, typing the words you want to search into the search box and pressing Enter. Select the topic you want to open by clicking the heading. Here in the top right corner, you can find the language and product selectors, where you can change the language of the help documentation and the product to which it applies. If you need an offline version of the help documentation, for example in a situation where you mainly work without access to the internet, you can download the help file and install it locally on your computer. Here, on the help main page, you can find a link to the Visual Components forum post, where you can find detailed instructions on how to download and install offline help. Now, let's go back to the application and take a look at the other documentation available. In the Help tab, Help and Reference group, there are also buttons for Python API, .NET API, and Python 2.7. The Python API documentation is included in the online help, but here is also a direct link to the correct section in the online help. The .NET API and Python 2.7 documentation differ a bit from online help, because these are in CHM format and open in a separate help window. In this window, you can browse the contents with the content pane. You can also search for content using the search pane here. Okay, now we could take a look at the online support material group. Here we have buttons for the Academy, the forum, and the Visual Components blog. You can search content from Academy and from forum by using this search box here. Let's open the Academy by clicking the Academy button here. Academy is our online learning center, which includes dozens of tutorials to help you learn the different features and applications of Visual Components products. In the Academy, you'll find lessons, courses, and learning paths. Lessons are individual tutorials, while courses are predefined set of lessons, allowing you to learn a certain topic. Learning paths, on the other hand, offer a more comprehensive set of lessons around a certain subject. Then, the next one on our online support material is our forum, which is an online community of Visual Components users, where members can, for example, ask questions and share expertise. If you want to participate in discussions, you can create your own account by clicking the Sign Up button here. Then we also have a blog, where you can read about case studies and other cool stuff going on with Visual Components. On the social media group, we have a link to our YouTube channel, where you can find tons of interesting videos. We also have links to our social media pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter as well. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.